Once upon a time, in a quaint village, there lived a kind-hearted girl named Cinderella. Despite facing hardship after her mother's demise, Cinderella's spirit remained unbroken. Her stepmother and stepsisters, however, made her life a constant struggle. One magical evening, an invitation arrived for the royal ball. Cinderella's stepsisters were thrilled, leaving her alone with chores. As she sighed in the garden, a gentle old woman appeared, revealing herself to be Cinderella's fairy godmother. With a wave of her wand, she transformed a pumpkin into a carriage, mice into horses, and Cinderella's tattered dress into a beautiful gown. "Remember, my dear, midnight is the spell's end," warned the fairy godmother. At the ball, Cinderella captivated everyone, including the charming prince. Lost in the enchantment, she almost forgot the looming midnight hour. As the clock struck 12, Cinderella rushed away, leaving behind a single glass slipper. The prince, determined to find the mysterious beauty, searched the kingdom. When he arrived at Cinderella's humble home, her stepsisters tried to squeeze into the slipper. It was too small for them, but a perfect fit for Cinderella. The prince and Cinderella were reunited, and their love story echoed through the kingdom. Cinderella's kindness had triumphed over adversity, proving that even in the face of cruelty, goodness prevails. And so, Cinderella and her prince lived happily ever after.